Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024. EXOR launches new logo, taking the next step for the brand.
Looking to turn your vision into reality?
Caption news on MFSPW3 Mymensing site with AGIMFS silo for rice.
Cooking essential diamond crystal salt is giving chefs and foodies more to love.
Airbus buys assets from the Silos Group, the parent company of Silos Cordoba, and hires part of its workforce.
Rice export prices from India stabilized this week after 4 weeks of decline.
Caption news on Fowler Westrup's service camp in Chhattisgarh, India.
Understand the working principle of complete equipment of rice processing in detail.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
IOM Euro-Asia Conference and Expo, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.